Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an all-purpose marinade the Haitian way. Those are the ingredients I have: oil, cloves, black pepper, butter, red onion, and also you can put yellow onion. This is leeks, or you can also use scallion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper. I have some thyme and parsley and garlic. This one is some rum, dark rum. And this one is only like when you're making meat. That way you can give it some, like, lift it up. So now I'm going to smash this until it becomes pasty. That's one option. The other option is to put it on pulsated, if your blender has this option. But I like it too. That's the salt. I like to smash it first and then put everything together. Alright guys, this is how you want it to be. And I'm gonna put this in here, that way you guys can see. And this is how you make a piece. Alright guys, now this is the final stage of the video on how to make a piece the Haitian way. Now, how is this different from grandma's sauce? Well, grandma's sauce has some exotic spices that I mixed with this, and it takes it to the next level. I like it to be chunky like that because when I blend it, it doesn't come out right.